Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best eco-friendly cleaning products that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the BLUELAND Clean Home Kit. BLUELAND's cheap refills come in the form of dissolvable tablets. You'll get a few reusable Triton Forever bottles by purchasing a $46 starter kit. You can subscribe to a refill plan for a bit less money. Starter kit refills include hand soap, bathroom cleaner, glass and mirror cleaner, and multi-purpose cleaner. And for what it's worth, I don't go through a bottle of glass cleaner each month. Maybe I'm gross. I don't think most people scrub their mirrors every day, but if you're in the same camp, you might not need a monthly subscription. BLUELAND also offers laundry soap, dishwashing essentials, and various accessories. You can mix and match products to suit your needs. Everything I tried did the job. The tablets can take a little while to dissolve, so mix the solutions up an hour or two before you tackle your chores. Once they're ready to go, I find the solutions to be powerful and pleasant smelling. Sometimes eco-friendly cleaning supplies smell a little too crunchy to me, but BLUELAND smells great and gets the job done. My fellow reviewer Nina Farrell also uses and likes BLUELAND. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Branch Basics Cleaning Essentials Kit. This starter kit gets you a 34-ounce bottle of sustainable, concentrated cleaning solution and 3 spray bottles with fill lines for easy dilution. You can choose between plastic or glass bottles. If you shop through Branch Basics, you'll also get a tub of oxygen boost powder. You'll get enough concentrate for 3 bottles of all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, and foaming wash respectively, plus a 64-load laundry bottle. The unscented concentrate is powerful and made from simple ingredients. You can also buy it separately and supply your own bottles. Fans of nice-smelling cleaners might find this set lacking, but a few drops of essential oils would liven things up in the olfactory department. Overall, it's powerful and works well, even on greasy dishes or tough laundry stains. I've used the concentrate for every task it can complete, from my dishes to my laundry, and I've never had a bad experience. If you want fragrance-free environmental cleaning, this is a safe bet. At number 3, we have the Marley's Monsters UNpaper towels. These bright cotton flannel towels are durable and absorbent. They get even more absorbent after a few washes. They also cling together, so you can roll them up on a cardboard tube just like the paper alternatives. The clinginess means they attract lint and dust pretty easily, so be prepared to wash them often. But still, if you're trying to go zero waste, these are one good way to do that. One thing I'll note is that it's really easy to use all 12 up quickly, and they can stain depending on what you're wiping up. They also tend to cling together on the roll, so I prefer to just keep mine folded in a drawer. At number 2, we have the Drops Sensitive Skin Laundry Detergent Pods. I freaking love Drops. These pods smell fantastic, work with high-efficiency machines, get your clothes squeaky clean, and are made of USDA certified bio-based ingredients. One of my favorite things about this product is that the box contains a full list of each ingredient and what purpose it serves. Rather than being mystified by a long list of things I can't pronounce, I know exactly the reason behind each one. I've used a few different kinds of detergent from Drops, and my clothes have always come out clean and smelling great. The company sells fragrance-free pods as well. The activewear detergent is my favorite. It helps to get any lingering smells out of my disgusting workout clothes better than Tide. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wettex Swedish Dishcloths. These are a mix between a washcloth and a paper towel. You can use the absorbent cloths to wipe up messes or to scrub the dishes. They're composable and biodegradable, made from a mix of pulp and cotton. I like the cute, bright colors and how quickly they dry, which means they never get stinky. Unlike traditional cotton wash rags, They've been durable in my testing, but I'm glad to know that when they've run their course, they won't stick around and pollute the planet. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.